Good evening. I'm Dave Hartner and I'm president of Fisher Flying Products, and I'd like to welcome you to our first video blog. We are working to get more information out to you, and I'm going to try to put together clips that are a couple of minutes long and give you an idea of what's going on with the company and what new products we're working on, and just try to be more inclusive to all the people out there who are following us. Today we'll talk about three items. First is going to be our Polini engine mount. A lot of people are interested in the Polini engines for our ultralights, and we've developed an engine mount that fits those ultralights with successful installations, and I thought I'd review that and show you the CAD and show you pictures of it installed in Gary Carter's FP202. We are going to be talking about the new Fisher Aria. And also, we're going to let you know about some new items that we've got that are coming for sale on the website. So let's start in with the FP202 to Polini engine mount. If you're not familiar with the Polini, I'm going to get the right picture here. Polini is an Italian-made engine that was started out in the powered parachute market. They got bigger and bigger, and then people were wanting two-place powered parachutes, and then they thought, why don't we put this on the front of an aircraft? And they worked a lot of those details out and provided what you can see here is a mounting ring that allows the engine to be mounted in the tractor configuration. So we go back to the picture of the installed aircraft installed on our FP202. We found that the distance between the firewall and the opening of the existing cowl, we didn't want to have to change the cowl design. So what we came up with was a spacer setup that allowed the engine to move forward. This engine's a very light engine. It only weighs in around 40 pounds. And we needed to get it out on the nose to help with weight and balance as well. So as you can see, we've made this from 3x2 extruded aluminum, 6063 aluminum, as well as 2x4. So 2x3 and 2x4, and then they're cut for lightning holes, and we've come up with a mount structure so that it'll mount well. We did this in CAD, as you can see here. We've shape and we've been able to provide a very accurate model of the mount, and then I've taken this and we've actually put this into our CNC, and we cut these pieces out on our CNC router. So back to the Polini engine here, and then Gary Carter's installation. As you can see, it rubber isolates the engine in two different ways from the structure. So this extends the firewall structure out to this point here. And as you can see, we've got a spot for the water canister to be placed in. It's all makes for a very nice, neat package. The engine electronic package can be tucked in on the firewall and behind the engine, and it makes for lots of room. If you're interested in this, we can talk more with you. I guess that's it. We'd encourage anybody to give us a call at 519-933-2055, option 1, if you want to talk about this engine mount. We've got the Fisher forum, the Builders Forum. We've got our Fisher's Facebook page as well. So don't hesitate to give us a call and talk about how this engine might work, because it's becoming more and more sort of our go-to engine. It's much smoother running engine than the Hearth. It's liquid cooled, so you've got that reliability, and all totaled it's about the same price as the Hearth, and we've got better availability and parts availability currently for it. So great shout out to Gary Carter for let me use this photo. He has a great installation going on down in Florida, and we should see many good things. He's quite enthusiastic about showing his aircraft off. The new Fisher Aria. We've got a low-wing, all-wood, retractable gear aircraft that we are going to be marketing. It's a variation on an existing design out of Europe that has flown. Lots of aircraft are flying. It's a well-proven design. Wouldn't bring something into Fisher if I didn't sort of believe in it. It has a retractable gear option, but we're also going to be offering it in a fixed gear variant as well, because I know that a lot of people have a hard time getting insurance for the fixed gear or for the retractable gear. So 100 horsepower, standard, Rotax 912 or D motor engine will scoot this thing right along. It's got great performance numbers, has been posted on Facebook and on our website. It'll be added to the website in more of a permanent fashion. Right now, we've just got a bit of news going out on the news section. It will be a very complete kit. All of our kits are very complete. You don't have to get too many things to be able to finish the airplane. We are in the process right now of building the bill of materials and determining all the components, giving all the components part names that match with our regular nomenclature in our current aircraft. And we're going to be bringing automation into play. So anywhere where we can take a part and instead of having you cut it out, we will, CNC it to shape. That's something that we're going to be doing, so that we bring the build time down as far as we can. And we understand that there's a lot of people out there that are leery of the sort of fast wooden aircraft, GP4, and how long it takes to make that aircraft. We like to see people fly and get their projects completed, so we're going to be working to try to make sure that much as possible things go together quickly. We're still working on pricing right now, so please don't bug us right now yet on how much it's going to cost, because we don't know until we have the bill of materials completed, and then we go out and we cost all of the time and the cost of the components. We've got a good idea. We wouldn't have started down this road if we didn't, but there are some things we have to put together before we put a price together that's a profitable price for us. Again, please ask the questions, give us a call, make a comment on Facebook. We're right now getting some modeling done so that we take the 3 views that we've got, and we're going to give you an idea of what you're going to see in a realistic model. From there, we'll put that in different scenarios so you can kind of get a better picture of the aircraft. That's going to be what we're offering as compared to what you might see in Europe. We've got new items that are coming for sale on the website. We've teamed up with Printful. And so we've got a number of designs. I've been working on getting our Fisher Flying Products aircraft caricatured. And so some of you have seen it. I've put some posts on Facebook. Every different model we're going to get drawn in a caricature with happy pilot and happy female pilot. So if you're a female flyer of Fisher, you're going to be represented as well, and we can then put these things on anything from hats to bags to logos to patches to t-shirts to whatever you need. And so we want your feedback on how and what you would like these put on. We have a vast choice of what we can place them on, and me going on the computer and just picking this and that are maybe my best ideas, but they may not be your best ideas. So if you would contact us, let us know what you think would be good to have the caricatures of the airplanes on. And then, we're going to put together a promotion where somebody's going to win a set of plans for free. We're going to take the first 100 people that purchase from us, and your name's going to go in a hat. And we're going to draw after the 100th purchase for a free set of plans. So get out there and buy your bling. Show people that you're proud of your aircraft. That's about it for right now for my first attempt at this. But we will be trying to get more more video and more content on for you to see on a more regular basis. So anyway, have a great time, and hi from the nest, and have a good day. Bye-bye.